At Keyjoy, we've provided many customers with custom cable assemblies for their medical devices. Here's just one example of a company that was able to get their medical device to market, thanks in part to our expertise. 3M is a large conglomerate with a number of separate business divisions, including a dental and oral care division. 3M's dental division was building a device called the 3M True Definition Scanner, which takes high-resolution impressions of dental patients' teeth for restorations, appliance fittings, and other procedures. The challenge 3M was facing was ensuring that the scanner's data transfer was actually fast enough to keep up with the scan rate, so they came to us for help. We helped 3M solve their data transfer challenge by building them a custom USB 3 cable assembly for integration with their scanner. USB 3 is a new transfer technology that's designed to meet the demand for the higher transfer speeds required by today's devices. By working closely with 3M to overcome several implementation challenges and revising the cable assembly several times at no charge, we were able to consistently improve the performance of the cable until it was performing at its highest capabilities prior to the launch of the scanner. The result? With our help, 3M was able to launch their True Definition Scanner with USB 3 transfer speeds in the fall of 2014. Since that time, they've sold the device to dentistry practices all over the world with rave reviews from the professionals that use them. At Keyjoy, we're confident we can provide you with the custom cabling solution you need for your medical device, just like we did for 3M. Contact us and find out what we can do for your business today.